What the fuck?
Bars, call it pain, supercharged, back to back, extra tears with the phone. I'm tearing up ties in this lunch swing. Hella slow. Four cars, 5, 6, 7, 8.
To buy a new house, a new car, we have hundreds of dollars to give away to go towards your financial goals. All you gotta do is text the keyword home with what you're saving up for and how much you've got left to reach.
Lots of comments I'll be measuring like the treasury. People festering, guys will never in a busy put your motherfucking hands all the way to the sky. You're free than the you got to bury you and I.
Oh, yeah, no, you can't do that, mate. That's fucking ridiculous.